Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Here is a question that looks easy but stumps even the smartest brain. Can you solve this? 2 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b is equal to 48 and find the value of a and b. So first of all, you will assume that the value of a is greater than b. Then we will apply the identity, that is 2 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b, and can be taken as 2 raised to power b as common. Remaining is 2 raised to power a minus b because a is greater and b is smaller, minus 1. So we can write the above equation as 2 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b, that is equal to the 2b into 2 raised to power a minus b minus 1 is equal to 48. So we can see that two numbers multiply to 48 where 1 is the power of 2. So let's try some factor pairs of 48 that are 2 multiply 24 and these are the factors of 48, and the 4 multiply 12, 8 multiply 6 and the 16 multiply 3. So you can see 16 is a number such that is a power of 2. So we will use this number 2 raised to power b is equal to 16. By simplifying this, 16 can be write as 2 raised to power 4, which implies that when the bases are same, power are also same, so b is equal to 4. We have find out the value of b, that is 4. Now we can easily find the value of a by substituting the value of b in this equation. So we can get the value of a such that 2 raised to power a minus b minus 1 is equal to the 48 divided by 16 is 3, which implies that 2 raised to power a minus 4 is equal 3 plus 1, that is 4. So 4 can be write as 2 raised to power 2. So this implies that a minus 4 is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2 plus 4 and the value of a is 6. So easily we have find both the values, a is equal to 6 and b is 4, and we assume in the start that a is greater than b. So in the final we can see that the value of a is 6, which is greater than 4. So the final answer can be write as a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 4. So this is the final answer. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and drop in the comment section for more powerful tricks. Subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification. Stay tuned. Best of luck.